All right, I got some new vinyl in the mail. Ordered this stuff off Amazon. Let's take a look. Very nice packaging. Very nice envelope they put in here. The design on it. It's all shiny. I like the design. The other vinyl I get comes in an envelope like this. So I think these guys get a nicer envelope. What do you think? But let's open it up and take a look. Came with a reading tool. I'm gonna have like 100 of these by the time I'm done with my Cricut. Reading tool here. There's a pointy end on both sides. We've got instructions. Buffalo HTV. What is that? Works on cotton and polyester. Okay, let's take a look here. So we've got a few blacks. Always need more. White and black. A couple more reds. So that's just regular HTV. Blue. Some green. And then we've got some checkered vinyl. And white and black checkered vinyl. We got some more of the rainbow vinyl. Very nice. Now I found this stuff is best if you don't layer it. So if you have to add other things onto your shirt or whatever, make this the last layer that you do. Doesn't work very good if you have to press on your shirt after that is already on the shirt. It won't turn out very well. Gray. This is nice. Nice shiny. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a real nice shiny look to it. See that? Very pretty holographic design. Here we got some plain yellow, blue, orange, dark pink, and we've got some sparkly silver, some light pink, red, I think I already showed red, and purple. Very nice purple. Now we've got this shiny HTV. Very nice, very colorful. I'll have to think of some unique design for that stuff. A nice purple, but it's like sparkly. See that? And pink. We've got, this is like a dark blue color. Gold. I've got so much gold vinyl. I've got to figure out a project to do with all this gold vinyl that I've got. I like this one. It's a dark blue, but with that sparkly texture on it. We got aqua blue vinyl. We've got dark yellow and orange, green, and some blue. And we have here this very nice design. We'll have to think of something cool to write and put on a shirt for this. Very nice. And it comes with 2 of these sheets to put over top of your design when you're heat pressing it onto your fabric. So this is the second time I ordered this package right here. I really liked the product, so I thought I'd show you guys me opening it. And I'm going to show you how much it is and where to order it on Amazon. The link will be in the description, and a little bit about the product and company right here for you. I will bring up a screenshot of the item on Amazon for everybody.